In this video, we listed the 5 best DC power supply on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. KUAIQU 30V DC Power Supply. The KUAIQU AN205 SPS C3010 is a versatile DC power supply designed for a range of applications, including laboratory work, electronic repairs, and battery charging. It offers an output power of 201, 300W with an adjustable output current of 0-10A and a variety of voltage options, 30V10A, 60V5A, or 120V3A. The power supply features high precision, low ripple, and a large, easy-to-read LED display for monitoring output in low-light conditions. With multiple safety certifications, CE, FCC, and various protection mechanisms against overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating, it ensures safe and reliable operation. It also includes a 5V2A USB charging port and an intelligent cooling fan for optimal performance. Lightweight and portable, the unit measures 3.3 by 8.4 by 5.5 inches and weighs only 2.6 pounds, making it easy to transport. The product comes with essential accessories, a 12-month warranty, and a customer service promise for quick resolutions. With its compact size and robust features, this adjustable power supply is ideal for DIY projects, educational purposes, and various electronic applications. Number 2. Wanptek DC Power Supply. The WPS3010H model from Wanptek is a compact and efficient programmable DC power supply designed for various applications, including mobile phone repairs, scientific research, and production line testing. With an output power range of 201-300W, it delivers a maximum output voltage of 30V and a current of 10A, adjustable through variable resistors for precise control. This power supply features a 4-digit digital display that shows voltage, current, and power simultaneously, ensuring ease of use. It includes multiple protections such as overvoltage protection, OVP, and overcurrent protection, OCP, along with a temperature-controlled fan for enhanced reliability. The device supports dual input voltages of AC 110V and 220V, making it versatile for different environments. With features like USB fast charging capability, good stability, and ripple factor, as well as optional communication functionality for remote control via USB, the WPS3010H caters to a wide range of users seeking a reliable and customizable power solution. Quality certified by CE standards and constructed from durable materials, this model is praised for its efficiency and convenience, meeting high safety and performance expectations. Number 3. UNI-T UTP1310 Power Supply. The UNI-T Lab Power Supply, originating from mainland China, is a digital-only device designed for electrical DIY projects, featuring a powerful output of up to 230W. It operates on AC power and accommodates both 110V and 220V input, with a rated output voltage ranging from 0 to 32V and a maximum output current of 10A. The power supply boasts a high-precision 4-digit display and offers a setting resolution of 10 MV, 1 MAR. Additional safety features include overvoltage and overcurrent protection, along with a keyboard lock for secure usage. It provides 3 groups of setup storage and recall options, an independent output switch, and encoder adjustment for enhanced control. Currently, the product is available for BDT 11,880.60, including a 50% discount, with shipping costs noted at BDT 4,007,670.26 and an estimated delivery date of November 8. The seller, UNI-T Official Store, enjoys a strong reputation with 98.2% positive feedback from over 105K followers. Number 4. NicePower DC Power Supply. The NicePower adjustable DC power supply is a sophisticated and versatile device designed for a wide range of applications, featuring output power between 201 and 300W with customizable options. It operates on both 110V and 220V inputs, supplying regulated power with an output current of 0-10 A and frequency at 50/60 Hz. The power supply boasts high precision through its dual adjustment knobs for voltage and current, enhanced by a digital LED display. It includes essential safety features like overvoltage and overcurrent protection, a smart cooling fan for temperature regulation, and is ideal for tasks such as factory testing, mobile phone repairs, battery charging, and scientific research. The unit's efficient design, low ripple, and compact size make it suitable for various settings, while additional functionalities, such as a USB charging port, add to its convenience. Complete with necessary accessories and protective features, this power supply is an excellent choice for professionals needing reliable and adjustable current and voltage output. Number 5. Adjustable DC Power Supply. The Jesverti SPS 3010X is a reliable and efficient power supply designed for various applications, delivering an output power ranging between 301 to 400 watts with a single output mode. It features a 4-digit LED display that provides precise voltage, current, and power readings, alongside functionalities for voltage stabilization and current limiting, ensuring simple operation and high precision under varying conditions. With output voltage adjustable from 0 to 30 V and output current from 0 to 10 A, this power supply is suitable for tasks such as factory production testing, mobile phone repairs, battery charging, and scientific research. Additional highlights include complete operational protections, a temperature-controlled fan for low noise, and a compact, lightweight design with minimal ripple. The unit comes with a comprehensive package that includes a power adapter tailored to the user's country, output lines, an instruction manual, and a 1-year certificate of conformity, supported by lifelong technical assistance for customer satisfaction.